What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning C++. My name is QDS Dani and you guys are watching my channel Koroyawood. Please subscribe Koroyawood. As always, our programming videos will continue. At Koroyawood we are committed to bring you the best programming videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. Alright, so now we dived into templates. Now if you guys know that this is the function that quite a while back we made it this same as swap function. You guys take it as exchange. We have a parameter here at the type int, and we have a m. The data type is int. We have emp, and we have n here. There is a two parameter here. We have we're gonna assign m, which we have a parameter here, to int, to temp, and we're gonna go on n, and we're gonna assign this n to m, and then we're gonna go to, and then finally we come to assign this temp to n. So here, because that's integer, and now you guys are going to see another version of the same function, then you guys are going to put it with a void exchange, and you guys are going to put a string s1, and you guys got a string s2 as a parameter. You're going to do the same method. You're going to put assign s1 to temp because it's a type string, and s2 to s1. Then you go, finally we're going to put the temp to s2. So it's like a zigzag. So if you're very confused about this one, just like a z words. So the first one, if you remember that you're gonna have a s1, s2, and temp. So the first one is that you guys needs to put this one in a parameter, and now you're gonna put a string temp. Could put whatever the first one here assigned to the temp, and then you're gonna go on down, and then you put this s1 here, assign the s2 there, and finally whatever the s2 is going to come here and assign the first one there. Same as this one, but how you going to put this one in the template? That's a very valid question and good question if you're very curious, and I'm going to put you now. That's how you guys are going to put it inside the template. So if you can here, we put a function void exchange, and we put a template class T. The first one, we going to let the C++ compiler know that this is a template. This is a mold of class, and we have a parameter T. And now this T takes say int. As I said, this takes the data type, and this T takes this int, and the T takes string, and the T takes another string. So how cool is this? So instead of writing again and again, as I said to you guys in the previous video, you just put a template, and you need to put your void exchange, and you don't need to put anything here. You don't need to put a string or any other data type. You can just put a void exchange. T is like in here, and put a x and y. Now you're going to do, instead of this int, our string, as I said to you guys, this T is a placeholder. So now this T gonna hold integer or string. As I said, gonna double any kind of data types you have. Now this T is gonna take, because this T now in the memory is a placeholder. It takes any value, any data type. So it takes int, it takes say double, it takes float, it takes string, any sort of data types you have. Whatever data types you're going to think that you guys want to put, you guys can put it here. You do not write, you need to write any of these data types again and again. String, say it, you can put a double temp, or you can put anything temp. So you can put a string temp, double temp, int temp, so character, whatever you think, you put it. No, you see here, you guys look here, we have put a template, and we put a class T, and here we put our function void exchange, and we put our parameter, which is x and y. You can put a m and n, or you guys can put a s1 and s2. Doesn't matter, it's up to you, but you need to put this T, because now this T took over everything here. So now this T here is your data type. This T can be integer, this T can be string, this T can be float, this T can be anything you like, and the rest is all the same. So instead of writing a lot of 4 or 5 functions, you just put one, and it's this template, which is a mold. It's gonna work with every data type you can imagine. You guys can imagine this T is a string, and you can imagine this T is int, whatever you can think. But this T now, this one is a placeholder, because it holds the place for any data type, whatever data type you guys want to put a Vector, you can put anything you like. You guys can put a map, which we going to discuss in the future videos. I'm going to show you guys what is map, but at the moment you guys need to remember this one, template. So keep in mind we put the keyword template here. So you guys need to put a word for word here, class T, or you can needs to put this T, and here this T now is a placeholder, and this T now takes any data type, such as you guys see here, int and string and double and float, whatever you guys think. So the rest is the same. T temp, we put assign X, which is here to temp, and you can put this anything you like. The reason you everyone puts temp because it's temporary, say temp, so you remember that you're gonna assign your first parameter to temp, and come here and put your second parameter to X, because you guys already assigned it there. So it goes like a Z word, it comes like that. And if you can hear the Z, X come here, Y, and the Y comes here. It's like a step, and there is a temp, and the last one temps, we bring the temps here. So that's how the void the function, if you don't know the exchange or swap function, the exchange or swap function works, because you need to put the, say if we put this function, then the value of the X, which you're going to can display the value of X and Y, and later on when you done this swap function, the value of X gonna move towards the value of Y, and the value of Y gonna move towards the value of X. So how cool is this? So you can actually swap the values, so X and Y. You can put you don't have to put an X and Y. You can put a B, X, A, B, any letter you think of. Wood 1, wood 2. You guys can put anything as long as you do this formula correctly. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.